If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
BLACK+DECKER offers a range of rice cookers for every meal size. The 3-cup rice cooker is perfect for 1 or 2 people. You can use up to 1.5 cups dry rice to make 3 cups of cooked rice. Need something bigger? This 6-cup rice cooker is great for small families. It fits up to 3 cups of dry rice and comes with a steaming basket for fish and veggies. For a larger family, the 14-cup rice cooker is ideal. It fits up to 7 cups of dry rice and also includes a steaming basket. If you need a larger meal or want leftovers, go with the 16-cup rice cooker. It can fit up to 8 cups of dried rice and also steams fish and veggies. If you need to make a lot of rice for the holidays or a large gathering, then you'll definitely want the 28-cup rice cooker. It holds up to 14 cups of dry rice and can also make large amounts of fish and veggies. All of the rice cookers have a non-stick, dishwasher-safe cooking bowl. The measurement markings on the inside of the bowl indicate the water level. To make rice with the BLACK+DECKER rice cooker, fill the bowl with water. The amount of water depends on how much you want to cook. A good rule of thumb is 2 cups of water for 1 cup of dry rice. The rice cup will yield about 2 cups of cooked rice. Remember, a rice cup is about 3/4 of a standard cup. After you've added the water, add the rice. Plug in the unit and press the cook button. Cooking takes between 20 to 40 minutes depending on the type and amount of rice. When the rice is done cooking, the unit switches to keep warm, which is not just a safety feature, but also keeps the rice at perfect serving temperature. Be sure to use the included serving spoon because it won't scratch the coating of the bowl. There is a steam vent on the lid. However, you may need to lift the lid occasionally to release excess steam. The rice cooker makes more than just rice. It can make soups, stews, oatmeal, and other slow-cooked meals. If water bubbles up during cooking, take off the lid and stir the rice with the included serving spoon. Adding butter or oil can help prevent bubbling and foaming. If you want to steam fish or veggies, fill the bowl with a couple inches of water. Just make sure it doesn't touch the steaming basket. Put your food in the basket, then cover and cook. It's just that easy with the BLACK+DECKER rice cooker.
This Zojirushi MyCom rice cooker and warmer comes with a gorgeous stainless brown exterior finish and 5.5 cups and 10 cups capacity. The machine features fuzzy logic technology and multiple menu settings for cooking not only various types of rice, such as brown rice, sushi rice, and porridge, but moist and delicious cake, or steamed vegetables and fish. The black, thick inner cooking pan distributes heat evenly and is non-stick coated for easy cleaning, and the inner lid is detachable and washable. It also has a built-in retractable power cord, which makes storage easy, and an interchangeable melody or beep signal that notifies you when cooking is complete. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.